Hi friends, my name is Matthew. I'm on the internet as Toady Co. I think drawing's pretty fun. Let's draw. Today I'm drawing a savage warrior burger with swords. As always, I start by roughing in the most primitive of pencil sketches, just trying to get a sense of what the shapes are going to be and where they're going to go. I'm using standard pencil number 3 from RetroSupply's standard pencil pack. It has become kind of a go-to for me. I'll do as many rough versions as is necessary for me, each one on a new layer, as the sketch goes from extremely vague to somewhat more specific, and when it finally gets to the point where I feel like I can start to see the final lines, I will start inking on yet another new layer. I've selected Toothy Fountain Pen from RetroSupply's standard pens collection for this. It's a good choice for when you want your art to have a kind of hand-drawn analog look, which for me is basically always. It gives nice line weight variations with varied pressure, so it looks and feels like a real fountain pen. It's pretty cool. I want this burger's swords to be a look-alike pair, so after I've drawn one, I copy, paste, and flip it, reposition it at the right angle, make it transparent, and use that as the pencil layer to ink the second sword. That way I know it'll match in size and shape, but hopefully since I'm re-inking it, it'll look a little less like a straight-up copy and paste job. Now look what happened. I started to add the color and then realized I had forgotten to draw a tomato. Burgers need tomato. This is a Battle Burger Deluxe. If I were drawing this on paper, I'd just have to start over probably, but working in Procreate like this, I can just add a slice of tomato. I put it on a new layer so I don't have to work around what I've already drawn. It'll be easy to just clean it up later. Also adding onions and a single pickle. Why not? Each of these things on its own layer. So I can finally go in with an eraser to eliminate whichever lines get overlapped without disturbing the art above or below. There, much better. Let's start over coloring with RetroSupply's Mr. Marker brushes. These have a great casual feel. They're really fun. They let you embrace some of the charming messiness of real markers while also exercising a level of control that you get when you make art digitally. It's up to you though to not let yourself get too control-y about it. You have to stay loose, right? Personally, I never stay loose enough, but I still like how this burger turned out. And I bet I'll like whatever you're drawing today too. Drawing is great. It's fun. I'm gonna go practice some more. Bye.